spring and we need to do some changes to the garden. What we do need to move, I'm sure a few of you have had this problem before with trampolines, it's an eyesore. I'm going to move that trampoline into where the castle is, and move the castle to over here. Guess what? Got a new tool. The rammer. Obviously it's the hand tamper just so we can get this nice and flat. How does that look? Beautiful. Just need to get the paving slabs down now. You'll see it on the time lapse. Another day, another dollar. Can't remember what day it is. Day 2, day 1, day 2, 3. This is where we got up to. Now we're going to build the castle. Yes.
It's a hydration check. Look at my lovely red lips from the lovely red wine. It's a better wine today. We'll talk about it later. It's my favourite. The Jam Shed Shiraz. Not only is it hydrating, but it's... What's that stuff the lasses use? A lip balm or something. It's a lip balm too. Lovely red lip.
Jam Shed check. Lovely. Lovely bit of drop. Here's the fizzle and the tizzle. Wow! Instant check. That's better than the last things I've been drinking. Jam Shed Shiraz. Puts a glint in your eye. Wow! Took a risk. It's a good risk. That kind of risk. Got to check. It can take weight, and I'm a bit weighty, especially with more this weight. And it's doing well. There's no bounce in the floor. And take a look at my friend, Mr. Gargoyle. Hello. Cheers to him. Cheers.
Ricky Trash, he builds things for you whilst he drinks a lot to make sure it turns out truly awesome.
Yeah. Day 510 it feels like. I feel like Tom Hanks on Castaway. And I'm the ruined volleyball Wilson.
Wow!
Another sugary branded drink to keep me going. It's not good. But like I said, makes you appreciate all the other nice beverages. So you gotta drink crap to enjoy the finest crap. if you ask me. Don't know where and what we videoed yesterday, so I'll just show you where I got up to. And then...
There we go, that's where we got up to. So the ramp's on, need to secure the top bit. Just put some sides on and whatnot. Maybe level that door bit because it's doing me heading. And Mr. Gargoyle, need to glue him down because I know what'll happen. The kids will just push him off and you'll smash and I'll not be happy. I need to tidy this up still, yes. Hydration check, you know it makes sense. So, where we're up to. My GoPros have like, the batteries, I just don't know what's going on with them. So there's no more time lapse. So to be fair, there's like, for the time lapse that I would be recording, you wouldn't really see a lot going on. It's more or less about the details now. So I'll look at some detail. There's loads of detail I finish like, but it's just adding the detail, you know what it's like, it's tedious.
Wow!
There's a boy helping. So, straighten that bit of gate out because that was doing me heading. Put some sides on there, obviously a lot needs painting. And that little notch on the top where the gargoyle is needs sorting out. And the side bits on. Obviously it's all going to look a lot better when it's painted. So, see you in a bit. Who's the king of the castle? Yeah! Hydration check. Finish one bit of detail. That means reward.
Wow!
I'll show you the detail. It's the banister.
There you go. One lovely straight banister. Just need to make these foot holdings a bit deeper. Just not quite enough. Look a lot better when it's painted. A lot better. You're doing a good job picking them screws up, aren't you? Yeah. Next to the snake. Ah. Ah. The old review time. Old Trapishi? Trapicia? I didn't find it in the gladioli section. I know that. Tell everyone to be quiet and start talking and stuff. Talk with a mouthful, spitting that crumbs everywhere. To brush that up later, wouldn't I?
Wow!
Trapecia takes away the pain of brushing up crumbs from your wife's mouth when she's been eating crisps. I recommend it for the wives that men have that make a mess everywhere.
Wow!
They might accuse you wearing the lip balm or lipstick. It's not. It's Trapecia. Trapishi. Unoaked since 2022. Good stuff.
Wow!
Question is, how much can you drink till you fall over? I think you can't fall over, or can fall over. What kind of question is that?
Wow!
Sometimes to release the peace is what you got to drink to escape from that noise. Not that I'm sponsored, but to appreciate, escape the noise. The castle all done. Look what happened to the concrete. Obviously the mix with pants, or that's just too thin a layer and that's nice and thick, and it's just all pushed out and went like that. But anyway, that's the end of the castle build. On to the next video.
Fix it with Rich, grab a drink and watch him go. He'll solve any problem, so help his channel grow.
What 1.2, what 3.4, what 6.7,
Never misses a beat. His tools and his jokes make the job complete. No matter the mess, he's ready to start with a beat. DIY hard. As the night goes on and the laughter starts to rise, Rich is in his element, flexing with his eyes.